Turmeric, a common spice derived from the root of curcuma longa, is often hailed as a superfood due to its numerous potential health benefits. Here are some key points. Turmeric for anti-inflammatory, reduces swelling. Turmeric for pain relief, relieves arthritis pain. Turmeric for liver function, protects the liver from toxins. Turmeric for digestion, contributes to healthy digestion. Turmeric for depression, reduces depression symptoms. Turmeric for antioxidant, neutralizes harmful free radicals. Turmeric for heart health, may improve endothelial function. Turmeric for cancer prevention. Some studies suggest it may prevent cancer. Turmeric for diabetes management, may help manage blood sugar levels. Turmeric for skin health, can improve skin health when applied topically. Turmeric for weight loss, may aid in weight loss. Turmeric for cholesterol, may help manage cholesterol levels. Turmeric for wound healing, can aid in wound healing. Turmeric for immunity boost, may boost the immune system. Turmeric for longevity, some believe it may contribute to longevity. However, it's important to note that while turmeric has many potential benefits, it's not without risks.